Hello friends, Namaste. Today we are going to learn about 20 community helpers and their duties.
Teacher,
Teacher who teaches, educates and guides the students.
pilot,
Pilot who flies helicopter, plane and all the aircrafts.
driver,
Driver who drives bus, truck, taxi and etc.
doctor,
Doctor who diagnoses and treat medical condition.
carpenter,
Carpenter who makes repairs and construct wooden structures.
cobbler,
Cobbler who makes and repairs shoes and sandals.
farmer,
Farmers who produce food and other agricultural products.
policeman,
Policeman who ensures public safety and enforces the law.
tailor,
Tailor who design, make and other clothing materials.
banker,
Banker who provides banking services.
barber,
Barber who provides hair cutting, hair styling and other beauty services.
shopkeeper,
Shopkeeper who provides grocery materials, sells and operates the small store and shops.
baker,
Baker who makes bread, cake, cookies, donuts and many more bakery products.
butcher,
Butcher who prepare and sells meats.
dentist,
Dentist who provides care for teeth and oral health.
gardener,
Gardener gardeners who plants and maintains care gardens.
nurse,
Nurse provides medical care and assists doctor.
painter,
Painter who paints building and other structures.
plumber,
Plumber who installs and repairing pipe and piping systems.
soldier,
Soldier defends the country and maintaining security. Thank you for watching us. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more educational videos.